This tutorial will show how you can change the speed of a character's action. Keep watching and I'll show you how. This is Randy with another Create Studio Pro tutorial. Create Studio Pro has an effect called clip speed that can be used to speed up or slow down a video on your timeline. Open the effects by clicking the star on the far left and click and drag clip speed. This effect can be applied to any clip in the timeline that has the yellow edge. The key is the clip must be a video. See how the Bruce character does not have a yellow edge? Clip speed cannot be applied to characters that are dragged onto the canvas. However, you can change the speed of a character by publishing the character to video and bringing it back into Create Studio Pro. This method is referred to as bouncing your video. So let's create the mascot running off the cliff by using the bounce method. The mascot's running action will go from natural to really fast when it runs off the cliff. So set the scene with the running away action. Since changing speed will change the length of a clip, make the clip much longer than needed. Then, for fun, let's add the sad action. Okay, publish this video as an MOV file with transparent toggled on. After the publish is complete, build the scene and bring in the video that you bounced. For videos saved with transparency, select Import Video with Transparent Alpha Channel. And yep, it will take a while to load. Once it is loaded, see how Create Studio Pro considers this clip a video? Now the clip speed effect can be added to it. First, position the mascot off the cliff's edge and find the moment just before the mascot turns sad by dragging the playhead through the timeline. Now, move the playhead back 5 seconds and cut the video by clicking the scissor icon. Drag the clip speed effect onto the video after the cut. In the top right, the effects is highlighted and clip speed is listed. To speed up or slow down your video, click on clip speed and a clip speed percentage is presented. 100% is normal speed. If you want to speed up the clip, increase the value. Pay attention to the clip as I increase the percentage. The clip is getting shorter. To make the running twice as fast, change the percentage to 200%.
Oh no, not more math!
As you recall from an earlier tutorial, my interrupting neighbor is not very good at math, but this is pretty easy math. In Create Studio Pro, you can go half speed by setting the clip speed percentage to 50%. And you can increase the speed up to 4 times by setting the percentage to 400%. There you go. That is how you can bounce your character's video so the clip speed effect can be applied.
Hey wait, what about having the dude falling off the cliff?
Okay, but let's make this quick. My subscribers have their own creations to get back to. Add a position animation to the clip before the cut, and choose linear easing. Slide the animation to the end of the clip. Increase the length of the animation by dragging the first diamond left. Then drag mascot left of canvas. Since the bounce video is longer than needed, cut and delete just before the animation diamond. Now find the point where the mascot turns sad and add another position animation. This time click on the second diamond and drag the mascot below the canvas. There you go. That is how to combine clip speed and position animations to do a Wile E. Coyote impersonation. Hey everyone, have a good day and happy creating.